Hello and welcome to this movie where we will show you how to install our new magnetic legs. Our customers has for a long time now asked us to make legs that can be taken on and off as many times as they want. And if you use just screws in here, then after a while when you've taken it on and off, this screw hole will become bigger and bigger and it will not work anymore. So we came up with this idea to use these neodymium magnets, which gave us a chance to use them because they're really cool and they're also very powerful. What you need is this, one part here, one part here. What you see here is that you have to put these two faces together. It took us a long time to understand why we couldn't tighten the screws. But finally, a clever man at the metal shop, he came up with a solution, and that is to face both ends. So we take this here, and we take this here. Great. Here we go. And then we tighten the bolts, or the nuts. Take this. Yep. So when you put them on, it's quite clever to use a table with a straight edge, because then you just place them along the edge and you move them towards the magnets. You take the same and you move it towards the magnets and they're stuck. What you can do is, of course, to move them up a bit if you like that kind of thing. Now, one very important thing, when you want to remove these legs, don't pull them out because, again, these magnets are very, very strong and in the end you will bend this. So when you want to remove the legs, just pull them up and they're easily off. As you can see, if I try to do this, I will bend the whole thing. Now I will show you when the product is standing on the floor. Here we go. I'm now placing it on the floor. And as you can see, it's quite sturdy. And whenever you don't want it anymore, you can just take the legs off and store it somewhere and take it out again whenever you need it. Thank you.